Young World, what's the deal? It's your boy, Original, back with another one. Today on my channel, I want to talk about the internet. How to use the internet to make money online. I want to teach y'all how to use the internet for money. Why you should use the internet for money. Now, we entered in the greatest wealth transfer of our lives. And that's through the internet, man. The internet is making it possible for the average Joe to become a millionaire. I feel like the only way a lot of people is gonna become a millionaire is through the internet. So I'm making this video just to give you a little warning sign, a message from above, you know what I'm saying? Just to tell you to focus on the internet, look at the internet more, because with everything that happened during this pandemic, the one thing that survived the most was the internet. The one thing that thrived the most was the internet. And we seeing how more companies are opening up on the internet and soaring, and we seeing how the internet is a recession-proof business, man. So I just want to bring some things to y'all awareness, man. How to, use the internet to make money. It's millions and millions and millions of people coming on here every single day, and they're coming on here with a consumer mindset, right? And in order to become a millionaire, become financially stable, you have to be a business owner. You have to own a business. You're like, nobody has ever became a millionaire working for a company, right? You could be extremely successful. You could be well off, right? I'm about to show you something, right? I'm about to show you the highest paying yearly salaries. Like, you could be well off, but you would never be like millions and millions of dollars to play with. Like, you could have a savings, you could have good credit, you could leverage that, you could have houses, and it's all what you really determine success to be for you. But I just want to make y'all aware of another way, the internet. If we look at Google at the highest paying yearly salaries, we can see one of the highest paying salaries in America right now is a physician, and you get $193,000 per year, right? That's your base salary, right? That's your base salary, $193,000 per year, and that's good money. Like I said, like, you can leverage that, you can improve your credit, you can get a car, you can get a house, you can provide for yourself, and you can have a savings, and that's good for most people. For the average person, that's good, but it requires, what that requires is your time, what I'm saying? That requires you not to be there with your family all the time. That requires you less vacation time. You have to put in a lot of work. And I'm not saying that the internet ain't work, right? I'm not saying that the internet ain't work, but recording a 10-minute video a day, or if you got to do that 2 or 3 times, or what I'm saying, but even if you made 6 10-minute videos a day, it might take up 8 hours of your day, but it's better because you in your own comfort. You can be traveling, working, you can be in a whole nother state, and if you use the internet, you don't have to be at a centralized location. That's the thing. Like, it's not about the money you making. Like, it's not about the fact that this physician, okay, she does make $193,000, but she has to always be in that state. She has to always be in that city. Always, she can't move around. Like, some jobs, don't get me wrong, some jobs, they require you to move and shit. But the thing about the internet, I could literally move to Dubai and still be earning money online, like on the internet, from how I got it set up now. Now, if we go to one of my favorite YouTubers, right? CJ So Cool, right? You can see CJ So Cool is earning $129,000 per month, right? And it take him 32 million views to build that, right? Then you earning $129,000 per month. You're probably thinking like, damn, I can't do that. I can't create that. You know what I'm saying? But if I tell you CJ So Cool story, it'll motivate you. Like, he was 26 when he got started. He only 30. I think he like 30 or 31. He probably turned 31 this year. Blew up 4 or 5 years. You know what I'm saying? Blew up, right? just by posting every day, you know, just being yourself on camera, getting on here, you know what I'm saying, showing up just like as you show up to work, you know what I'm saying? Like, how much money you think you made that company you working for, whether you selling things or, you know, you booking appointments for insurance and you, or whatever you gotta do, you know, how much money you think you made that company? So just imagine, like, over time, if you was putting work into your own thing, you know, for 3 or 4 years, like, where would your company be valued at? Where would your company be valued at financially? And in order to have, you know, millions and millions of dollars, you have to be a business owner. You have to be some type of entrepreneur. You know, you have to create a product or a service, you know, that helps people. You know what I'm saying? You have to be of value. Your value has to increase. The value you bring to this world has to increase, you know, in order to acquire millions of dollars, you know. And like I said, everybody's definition of success is different. Like, you don't necessarily have to be a millionaire. You could settle for the $50,000 a year and be happy and live in your nice house, have your car, have your credit right, all of that. Or you could be making $50,000 a month, and that's a different lifestyle. But it depends on how you want to experience your human experience. You know what I'm saying? Because when we leave here, we don't have nothing but memories, man. We don't have nothing but memories, money. You know what I'm saying? The possessions we have, we don't take those with us. But all the memories, all the experience you leave with that. Your spirit remembers that. You know what I'm saying? When you grow old and when you're ready to ascend, your spirit remembers that. So, yeah, man. But the internet is where it's at. And I truly believe the best platform to build on right now is YouTube, man. You just don't know. You just don't know. You could post that one video and get 25 million views, man. 25 million views. Your channel blowing up. You know, you able to leverage that following. You know, you gotta leverage that following with affiliate marketing. You gotta leverage that following with merchandise, and you gotta just think ahead. You know, you can have a lot of this shit set up, right? And it requires creativity. You know, it requires drive and get up and know-how. You know, I'm not saying that coming on the internet is easy. You know what I'm saying? For a lot of people, they don't even want to get on camera. You know, but the thing about the internet, it's set up so crazy that you don't even have to get on camera. You know, like, I made a video about how you can earn money on YouTube without even showing your face, just by buying YouTube videos on Fiverr, you know, that you own and create out of niches that are in high demand, like the top 10 list. You know what I'm saying? You could buy videos, you could have them made and created for you, upload them on YouTube, monetize the content. People don't know who you are. You know what I'm saying? You could set up an affiliate marketing. You could literally sell other people's products, right? Under your own business, you know what I'm saying? Your own LLC, you promoting, pay advertising toward an affiliate, e-commerce product, right? It could be a digital download, right? And you promoting traffic to this. Every time you get a sale, you getting 70% of the cut. So you making a lot of money. And you could have that set up where you run a paid advertisement, or you could build up a YouTube page, an Instagram page, a Twitter page, and have the affiliate link on there and be generating free traffic, driving free traffic to it every single day. So it's a lot of ways you can approach the internet, but my main thing about why I even made this video is to let y'all know that the internet is the way out, man. It's the way out. A lot of people looking for a way out, bro, and they don't know what to do. And I'm telling you, at least make a YouTube page. If you don't know what to do, make a YouTube page and talk about how you don't know what the fuck to do. And you gonna get some other people that agree with you and they can help you and that's build you, you know what I'm saying? Or look up these business models where it's no inventory, you know what I'm saying, no custom service. All you're doing is pay advertising to a digital product, you know what I'm saying, and you run it up, right? And it's trial and error, you know, it take trial and error, it take learning, man. It take a lot, you know, to do this shit, but it's worth it. You know what I'm saying? Would you give 3 years, like would you work 3 years at a job that you know what I'm saying, is gonna pay you, you go in them 3 years, all you gonna make is 150,000. 3 years, you know that shit. You go to work, that's if you go to work every single day, you only make 150,000. Or would you work 3 years on your own shit, right? On your own shit, you know what I'm saying? Building that and be making 100,000 per month after that. You making 100,000 per month after that. You know, results may vary, but I'm letting y'all know, I'd rather take the risk on building my own shit than taking a risk on some fixed income. So that's just my risk tolerance level. You know, a lot of people don't have the risk tolerance that I have, but even a job can quit on you. You know, even a job can say, this is your last day. You know what I'm saying? No matter what you got on your plate. You know, that happened to me. So I look at the whole entrepreneur shit differently than most people too. So yeah, man, it's your boy Young World. More videos like this coming, man. But how to use the internet for money, man. I recommend creating a YouTube channel. I recommend starting affiliate marketing, starting some type of product or service or business, man. If you could create an app or something new, something innovative, you know, you just gotta think of a way you can connect people, right? You could think of a service, think of something that people need that they don't even realize they need right now. And if you can do that, you're gonna definitely acquire a lot of money, because you're gonna bring a lot of value to this world. And use the internet, man. You can literally reach 1 million people in 5 minutes. So it's your boy Young World. I'm out. Peace.